the for loop within Python. So for most of us, this is just a quick recap. So guys, a for loop is a very straightforward thing in Python. As an example, let's just give a quick list in here, which would be my names, and it's just gonna be a collection of all my names. All right, so I'm just gonna quickly fill this out. Let's just add one more name in there, quite a bit of names. All right, so I just have a quick collection, and for a for loop, we know the syntax for that. We're simply gonna say, for example, name in my names. All right, so for each name that shows up within this list, this collection, let's go ahead and print that name on the screen. Straightforward ABC type of code, and we go ahead and run this. It simply just goes through this and it prints that name on the screen for us, and we can see that. All right, so basic for loop, and that's just a refresher of what we did. So now let's go into